We're just going to be looking at how to quickly run something in our x86 debug. So we open our debug, type in the debug, and the basic is that we have some E that we want to run. So we have E100, that means we're going to enter the line at 100, and then we're going to have some code that we're going to input for our values. So this can be coded out already on like a notepad, and then we're pasting it in here, remembering that there is a space in between each one of these. If we want to run multiple commands at the same time, we would just have a line in between them. And then we press enter. Now we want to enter some values if we are dealing with registers, because with this program right here we have these registers. Now we need to enter values into them. So what we do is we type in enter, which is the E, and then our register, which here is 554. We can see I'm dealing with register 554, and then I want to input 05 and 09, and it's going to go into 554 and then into 555. So I'll do a press enter, and then we're going to have our 05, and then we are going to have our 09. But I messed up. I only did it right here, so it only reads E554. If I want to do the other one, I could also just make a new line, press enter, and then here I can enter the 09, which I made a mistake on, so we'll just press enter here. We'll enter it one more time, and then we're going to have our 09. But I keep messing up, so we do E555, and this time for surely we are going to have our 09. And pressing enter here, if we want to check these values, we would do display or data dump, which is the D 554 to 555, and we have our 09 and our 05. Now if we want to unassemble our program to check our instructions are what's important, because it's what we should have. Should look similar to what we have up here. So we have U, and then we're going from 100 to wherever we finish. We know we finish at 115 for this one, but we could go longer. We have our int 20, and that means we're done. To run this code, because it's 05 and 09, in this code what it does, it's going to make this value bigger than this value before it terminates, is we're going to just set G equal to 100. That's a super quick, easy way to get it to run. And then we could display 554 and 555, and we can see that it's updated normally. So that is a quick and easy way on how to run this. Of course, we could all have this all like this, just with a line in between them, and run it at the exact same time if we paste it in here. So that's just a refresher on how to do the debug running.